Hi, welcome to Restore Plus Tip of the Day. This is Reggie. Now today I want to show you another simple way of how can we get you to sit up straight. A few weeks ago I discussed how do we sit up straight from the lower back aspect, and then I showed you how to sit up straight in terms of the neck. Now a lot of times I see patients when they're slouching. This is what I have observed when they're slouching like this, if I exaggerate. Now the mid back here gets stretched. So when they slouch like this part gets stretched, and when the muscles get stretched, it gets weak. Now, one way to get you to be able to sit up straight is for us to help you strengthen the mid back. Now, how do we do that? One simple exercise for that will be what we call scapular squeeze or shoulder blade squeeze. What I want you to do is when you're sitting up straight like this or standing up straight in my case, now I'm gonna turn my back on you so you can see. So I want you to just make sure your shoulders are relaxed, and then I want you to squeeze your shoulder blades together. Now, if you don't have a shirt, you'll see a wrinkle in the skin. So imagine between your shoulder blades, you're squeezing a penny between the shoulder blades. If I have my lab coat, my scrubs, and I go like this, you're gonna see it more. So I want you to squeeze your shoulder blades together, hold it for 5 to 6 seconds, and then relax. And then repeat that 10 to 15 times. Now, one thing I want you to avoid there is if I have you squeeze your shoulder blade, a lot of times people raise the shoulders up also and squeeze it. You want your shoulders to be relaxed when you're squeezing it this way. That way, all the pressure and the concentration of the muscles between the shoulder blades. All right, so you can repeat that 10 to 15 times, hold it 5 seconds each time, and you can do it 2-3 times a day. And you might get sore at that area at the beginning because the muscles are not used to be working, but later on, as it gets stronger, as it starts getting more used to working and hold your posture more straight and then upright more, that should get less, right? If it causes any pain, make sure you let us know. So that's our Restore Plus tip of the day.